So, here we are in the kitchen with Denis Nowacki, Polak extraordinaire, making his Christmas pierogies. Well, Mr. Nowacki, explain your process.
Well, a lot of folk always ask me, how do you make them damn pierogi? Well, today we're going to teach you how to make them damn pierogi. But first, a little bit of history. Most folks don't realize this, but pierogi ain't Polish or any of them other Eastern European derivatives. Pierogi actually is Oriental in nature. It's part of the karate sequence. I'm sure you heard of pierogi dough? No? Anyways, here's what we do. First, we take our dough. See, here's some of the dough right here. We take that dough and we mix the dough. The dough consists primarily, using our standard baker's formula, 3-to-1 flour to water. We add some eggs, and we add some sour cream, and a little bit of salt, and we mix that all up, and then we roll it out. And what we want to do, and then, is cut out these circles. See, these circles are real important because these circles become the final pierogi. Today, we're making two kinds of pierogi. We're making a sauerkraut pierogi. That's the sauerkraut there. And we're also making a potato cheese pierogi, which is over in this pot. Now, here's the key behind this. You take your cutout dough, you put a spoonful of the sauerkraut on it, and I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to stick it in this here water, and I'm going to spread it around the edge. Now, I'm doing that so that we get a good seal, because we want to have a good seal when you put these pierogies in. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pinch it like this, and now because it's a sauerkraut, I do something special, and you got to watch carefully because this goes fast. I'm going to put a special curl on the edge, and it just goes like this, you see, and when I'm done, you have this beautiful looking pierogi. Ain't that cool? Not everybody can do that. Irish people can never do that.
Oh, baloney.
And then we take the pierogi and we place it in a pot of boiling water. Get that high rolling ball. Get a high rolling ball. Get a ball on one side, get a ball on the other side. And then you take the pierogi out. When it's done, pierogi actually floats to the surface. That's because pierogis, in fact, even though they look heavy, they're almost lighter than air. Now I'm going to put the pierogi in this pan here for future use. When we're done with the pierogies, when we're about to get ready to serve them, we're going to take the pierogies, we're going to put them in a skillet with some butter and some onions, and we're going to saute them up until we get a little bit of nice brown going on them, and then we'll serve them. And a little bit of sour cream on the side, and they are just delicious.